Good evening. I remain Raph, your video editing mastery teacher, and my brand name is Rare Concept. So in this module, I'm going to be teaching you how to record live webinar video. Live webinar video showing yourself. If you're an affiliate marketer, a copywriter, or a teacher, I'm going to show you how to record online webinar where you'll be teaching someone and you will be showing the person with examples of what you have written. So before you record an online webinar, you should have written your script, and I'm going to show you the app you are going to use to write your script. So you will go to this
Hello.
so for you to record the script and you present it in a professional way, you are going to be using an app, and the name of the app is Microsoft PowerPoint. So you go to your Google Play Store and you install the Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, PowerPoint. So mine is already installed. You will install yours. Yours will be showing install. So install yours. Now we will click open. And okay, I was recording a slide before on it. Okay, this is what I'm saying. This is the kind of presentation of slide I'm talking about. So this is it. This is the presentation of the slide. And you're seeing it. You click on the exit button. Okay, let me show you. I was working on something before, so you're seeing it. Welcome to the live video editing mastery class. So let me explain, let me go back to the page and show you from the beginning. So when you finish installing, this is where it is going to take you to. Make sure you sign up with your account, your Google account. So this is the create button. This is where you create. So you will click on the create button. You see it. So you are seeing when you want to create a blank place, you want to create blank places, you don't want any templates. These are for the templates. These ones are the templates. So we'll go, let me go for that same one I used. Okay, see it here. You're seeing it, main event. It was this one I'm using to executing that kind of. Let me show you how to use it in. My main objective here is to show you how to screen record with your phone. So this is it. This is if when you want to add another page, you use this button here, this plus button. When you click it, you will add another page into it. So when you click it now, it becomes two. So this is the second one. So this button is you want to change the layout of this thing. When you click on it, you're seeing it. You want to change the layout. Maybe you want to change it to be right up like this, or but I wouldn't want to change it, so let me leave it in the title settle. Okay, so if you want to edit this text, you will double tap. Once you double tap, it will go. So you will now, let me type in video editing mastery free class. Free class. Then you leave it, then you type into another this thing, you double tap on it, it will go by Onu Onu Raphael or Chain. Okay, so that is it. So should imagine if I want to change the color now, I will just undo this thing, then I will tap on the place I want to change the color, then I would sorry, what is happening? Then I will come to this place. You are seeing the icon for the color. This is the icon button for the color. Then I will type on the color and I will change it to blue. I want it to be blue. So that is the only thing. So this feature, it has feature. If you want to add live comments, you come to this place. If you want the students you are teaching to send you messages, it's that place. I've already told you this place is for column when you want to add column, but I'm not adding any column now. So sorry, I'm not adding any column now. So let me undo it. So here is this, but this icon is for pictures or video, or you want to add a testimonial, I want to show them a testimonial, that is what you use. Then here is for comment. Here is for shapes. Then this side is for text. Like you don't like the text writer, I want to be typing on it. You want to type your own text and arrange it the way you want. That is the place. Then here is for camera, camera, and here is for the redo button. So all these icons are available in this triangle here. So without wasting much time, because I'm here to show you, my main objective here is to show you how to pre-record and be showing yourself. So all this future, before you start presenting your script, you should have written your script down in a Google Doc, then you copy and paste, or you come here and arrange it. So let me show you how to with your smartphone. Let me say with your smartphone. Okay, so that is it. Then I will click on this. I don't want to add anything. Okay, I don't want to add anything. So I want to bring in a smartphone image. I want to bring in a smartphone image. So I will click on this place. I will click on this place. This is the smartphone place. Let me click on it. It will take me straight to my file manager. So go to my file manager. Let me go to, I know where I kept the smartphone image. So it is the transparent background of the smartphone image that I'm taking in. So this is it. It will load. This is okay. So yeah, okay. Because I left the place, it went out. So let me still thank God. Then this the auto save your designs for you. So you will click on this. Okay, so you will click, you edit. Let me show you how to add the smartphone. So you will go for the other one. You click on this image. It will take you to your gallery. You go to your AI gallery. Let me go to my Canva. I don't know why this thing is. So um, it's supposed to come in. What is happening to this? Edit. Uh-huh. This one. So you will now click on this. I want to bring in a smartphone image, and this thing is just logging out anyhow. Okay, so you will crop it. Once you click on it, so this is the smartphone. It will load. Then me, I normally crop. I will crop from this place. So I will crop it. I'll crop it. And then crop this. Crop it a little. And then I'll click on confirm. So you'll click on done. So that is it. You're seeing it. I hope you're seeing it. So I want to add, if you like, you can add frame to it. When you see it, it's as if it's not presentable because of the dark background that is in the platform. So I would want to add frame to it. So I will click. Let me show you where I clicked on. Look at where I clicked on. It's either you click on this one or on this one. But I will click on this one because this one carries the frame that best fits this. So I will click on this. I've seen this. Oh, it doesn't. Yep. No, 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 no. Let me go to this. Sorry. You will tap on it. Then you click this place. If you want to change the outlook of the phone, you click this triangle button. Then you will go to star. Star. See the star here. So this is the star. Then when you come to star, you will select this. Select this one, scroll down and select 1 2 3 4 5 6, the sixth one, counting from the down, from the last one to the upper one, the sixth one, you select it. Once you select it, see, you see how presentable the phone becomes with your smartphone. You are seeing it, then you increase the size. See it now. So that is how you can bring in pictures, video, or anything testimonial. If you want to rotate, you can rotate. If you don't want to rotate, you leave it. So you leave it in the middle like that. So my major point of coming here is to show you how you can screen record and you will still be talking. So let me show you how to screen record. This button is the edit button. This is the edit button. This is, you want to search a design you have already done, and this is the presentation button. This is the undo button. So before you start recording, you will, this is the undo button, and this is, before you start recording, you will click on this three dots. These three dots. See these three dots here. You click on it, then you save as. Save as. You save it as anything you want to save it. Let me just leave it. You click on save, then you go back. So if you want to present, this is the way you present it. You click on this button, and immediately you click on it, it will take you to the landscape mode. That is the way you can present it using, you will present with your smartphone, and it will look as if you are using a laptop to present. So I'm going to show you how you can bring, when you scroll to, when you click, this is the first page, when you click here, it will take you to the second page. So that is how you do. So I'm going to show you how you can bring in your picture to this place and to be showing you. So let us go back. So this is where the AZ recorder comes in. I'm making use of the S recorder. So you click on this, you click on the AZ recorder. So this will carry your inside. I was using it before. Let me show you how I got the camera. So you will click on this button. Let me bring in the brush. Okay, you are seeing the brush. Let me show you. You will click on this button. This when you click on this, no, not that one. You click on this one. You click on this one, the one repairing something there. It will pop out screenshot camera. You click on the camera. So see, the camera is showing. So if you want to increase it, you increase. I think you are seeing me now, and it's a bit getting dark. So that's the reason why I'm in a hurry, so that I can record this today. So if you want to increase, you increase. If you want to decrease, you decrease. So once it's set like this, you will set your camera, and you will go to your PowerPoint. You have already saved it to load. So you have already saved the name, so it will load. Once it loads, you will now go to the your presentation. It will load. Then you have seen it. You have already written everything, and now you want to present it. Let me face it like so that you can see me very well. Then you click on it. What is happening? You click on it, you click on edit, then it will show immediately. Then you click on the presentation button. It will take you to the landscape mode. But if you don't want to be in the landscape mode, you can use the portrait mode. But most YouTubers, they prefer the landscape mode. So this is it. You now bring your camera. You haven't started recording yet. You are just arranging yourself. Let me reduce the background a little. So this is it. Why am I not? Completely wrong. Coming. Let me do this setting. Let me bring in the camera again. So I've brought it in again. So now it's full. So now you can reduce it. Then you put yourself in the position. If you like, you can place it here. If you like, you can place it here. But now I want it here. Then once you are set, You will now press this place. I can't record two videos at a time. If not, I would have done it. If I'm recording one now, this S recorder I'm using to record to speak to you will stop recording. So you will click on start here. So once you press start, the thing will start playing, and once it starts playing, you can start recording your webinar. So that is how to record an online webinar that will engage you and your students. So thank you for watching, and I see to it that you should take everything you have planned to. Then if you are recording and you want to swipe to the other page, you swipe to this one, you swipe. So all you have to be doing is you will be swiping, once you speak, because it's a live class, you'll be talking to them um, physically. So once you are as you're talking and you finish with one page, you swipe to the other one. So you keep that is how we record online webinar. So I guess this added value to you, even if you are not a digital marketer, you are not a copywriter. As a video editor, you should know it, because in future or as in subsequent times, someone might miss you, a digital creator might miss you, that I want to host an online webinar. Please, can you help me create the script and the video for me so that I can shoot the video? Now you know where you can create the script from. You go to your Microsoft PowerPoint and you create your own script, and then you edit the video for the person. So that is the place of this module, and thank you for watching. I remain Raphael Oche, your coach, who will teach you and bring in the best value for you as a video editor. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the other module.